What makes you beautiful? I'm not. Vulnerability and solicitude. My smile. Show any direction. Mainly my eyes. For my family and friends I have beautiful emerald eyes and eyelashes, and for some reasons eyebrows, cause growing up people think I was a girl. My luscious ginger locks, it's a shame the rest of me negates their beauty. I have eyes? I think. My hair. My curves in all the right places. Baby blues, nice eyebrows, good complexion. For a male I have very beautiful green eyes and long eyelashes. Nice One Direction reference there. I would say my rare self. I have ginger hair, blonde eyebrows, blue eyes, and Asperger's syndrome. I'm in the autism spectrum. I'm not one to call myself this, but if I had to pick one or two things they would be my long eyelashes and many beauty marks. Bold to assume I was beautiful. Genetics. Water balloons. My looks or my brains. The same things that make me a 400 feet tall llama. Beauty is in the eyes of the beholder, so it depends on your opinion on blue eyes, pale skin, dirty blonde hair, lean muscular body. Thanks for reminding me. I guess my humor, making other people laugh, is pretty cool. My personality and joyful attitude. People say being unique is beautiful. I'm one of a kind, fucking ugly, so I guess that makes me beautiful. I'd like to know that too, my dude. My face and body. Bold of you to assume that I'm beautiful. Me. Beautiful? I'm not. I look like puke on a pile of shit. But if I had to pick a feature, probably my hair or my sense of humor. I'm sad a lot and mostly anxious, but I tend to laugh at most things, not in a cruel way. I got called a panda. Like, yeah, that made me feel beautiful. When a girl I'm talking to, who banned me from calling her beautiful, we've got an agreement that I'm not allowed to compliment her on looks. She called me a panda in some weird emoji late night chat on WhatsApp. What animal are you? Her description of being extremely cuddable and wholesome made me feel beautiful and more worth it than anything ever before, as someone who's had self-image problems my whole life. Heh, yeah. Being seen for what's inside, and seeing someone for what's inside someone else. And knowing it's truly what's being meant. That's what made me feel beautiful. For a second. My Greek god thing I have going on. I honestly think I look a lot better when I smile, which is why I make it a point to smile as often as I can. A very ugly person standing right beside me. Conversely, if a very good looking person was beside me, I might not be beautiful. I don't know, I feel cute, but I don't know why. I'm just me, and I have a pretty cool body. My looks and personality. Plastic surgery.